Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the Asus Zenfone 10 and we're testing its video recording capabilities against the iPhone. And let me know if you can see a difference. Both are recording 4K 30 with the main camera. So do you see any difference in the color quality, the exposure? Let's also switch to the ultra-wide camera while recording 4K video. You can do that on both phones to get a wider perspective. So let's also slowly pan around to see how this camera performs when conditions change a little bit. And which camera is actually wider, that's also quite interesting. Alright, switching back to the main camera now. The Zenfone 10 has a really impressive gimbal-like stabilization, or so Asus claims. So let's test that out. Follow me as we walk. Let's stop right here in the shade. So which one do you think did a better job? The iPhone or the Zenfone 10? Hello guys, and once again we're shooting now at night time to compare the video quality out of the Zenfone 10 and the iPhone. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty dark in here. At least here in the viewfinder I can see that the Zenfone has some trouble with those highlights burned out here. But let's also test the video stabilization and the overall quality. Just walk a bit. Alright, that's what it looks like on the Zenfone and on the iPhone. Which one do you think does a better job at night? Let me know in the comments.